Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Cook That. Today we're going to be making some delicious mangonadas, but not just the regular mangonadas. We're going to make mangonadas locas. I know some of you guys say mangonadas or mangonadas. It just depends how you guys call them, but it's the same thing. You can create it your own way, top it off with your favorite candy you like, but they're all going to be delicious. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the little bell so you can get notified every time we upload a new video. So now let's get started with those ingredients. So to create our delicious mangonada loca, of course, our mangoes, and then ice, water, lime. I have chamoys of your choice, tajín or the pica or Miguelito, whatever you have on hand. And then to top it off, you can use your favorite toppings, your favorite candies. I'm using the Rollito. It's a tamarindo stick, which is really good. We have these little tamarindo bites with chili. They're also known as rielitos or chaca, just depends where you know them for. And then I was looking for the tamarindo rolls. I couldn't find them, so I'm using pulparindo. And I made my own little rolls, and I'll show you how I did that. And then the salsaghetis, they're very delicious to top it off as well. So now let's get started. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and cut up our mangoes. I'm gonna use one to cut it in cubes, but the rest, it doesn't really matter how you cut it because we're gonna blend it. So I'm gonna show you the way I like to do it, that I feel like it's easier. So you're gonna cut all the way down to where you feel that it gets hard from the little huesito del mango. And then do the other side. Oops, I think I cut a little huesito of mango. Okay, let's go ahead and get the cup. Go like this. So you get all the mango. So that way you don't have to struggle with all the peeling first and everything. And then the sides, do the same thing. Now I'm going to cut the one that we're going to cut the cubes. So I'm going to do the same thing, but then here, let's go ahead and do little lines to get little cubes. So let's do the same thing that we did with the other ones. And there we have our little mango cubes. So now that our fruit is already cut up, I'm going to use the pulparindo to make my little rolls. So let's go ahead and open this, if I can open it. There it goes. And you can always use frozen fruit as well. So I'm going to cut it into 3 pieces. And then just roll them up. Alrighty, so now let's go ahead and add our mango. And if your mangoes are not too sweet, you can always add sugar to it or some simple syrup, or you can also use honey. It tastes really good. And I mean, if you don't want it too sweet, then just don't add nothing. So it'll be natural. That's just personal preference. Now we're gonna add, well, let's fix this really quick. There was one that had a little piece of the skin. Let's go ahead and take it off. Alrighty, because you don't want that in there. Hey, there it goes. Okay, so now it's ice. Ice is the amount that you like, depending how thick you want it, or if you want it like a smoothie, then just less ice. So let's go ahead and add ice. The ice got stuck. Okay, so now let's add water, just enough so we can help the blender, blend really good. And like I said, you can add a little bit of sugar. This is 1 tablespoon. This is totally optional. And now let's go ahead and blend. Okay, so now when your mango is the consistency that you like it, and then try it to see if you need to add more sugar. If you don't want to add water to blend it, you can add a little bit of the mango juice as well if you want it to have more of that mango flavor and be more sweet. So now I have my chamoys right here. What I'm going to go ahead and do is dip our mason jar to get chamoys all around the ring. Then just take it out. A little bit more. Alrighty. And then you can either dip it into your tajín, because they do sell some round ones for like the drinks, but I like to sprinkle it. So let's go ahead and just sprinkle it over. Now I'm going to add a little bit inside as well. And let's spread it. Add some more tajín. Now, some lime. Let's squeeze some lime in there. Some of this on here. Oh, you know what? Let's add some fruit in the bottom, so every time you get some, you have fruit all the way, not only on the top. Now your mango, nice and carefully. I'm gonna add a little bit more mangoes and then some rielitos, a little tiny bit of chamoys, or how much you want, that's up to you. More lime, more mango. Now let's go ahead and add some of the pica pica, or you can add more tajín, it's up to you. I like this pica pica, it's really good. I'm gonna have some of that. More pineapple, mango. Ha, it's right. It's mango, you guys, not pineapple. Okay, more mango. More chacas, just a little bit. Your little rolls of tamarindo. And then your little stick, tamarindo stick. Let's go ahead and slide it down. Another rollito. Your little spaghettis. You can put them however you want. Just make it look cute. And I'm going to sprinkle more tajín. And there you go. You have your Chamoyada Loca. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to make another one using the chamoys that it's more easy to find at the stores. So let's go ahead and dip as well and do the same steps. And there you have it. This is very easy, very delicious, you guys. You control the sweetness, so you control the sugar that you want to add, because when you buy them, you know, at those places that they make raspados, that they're very good, they're very, very sweet because they add a lot of sugar. But you control what you like. You add what you like. Let's give it a try. Very good. Mix it, the chamoy's all over. You have fruit in 3 layers. This is delicious, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your family and friends. Leave your comments down below and subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time on Let's Cook That.